Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I am always on the hunt for the best products to add to my skincare regimen. And I found a quality product in Naturium's Vitamin C Complex Serum. What I love about this is there's fantastic ingredients. It's not just vitamin C. You have hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. These three things pack such a powerful punch and are really some of the best ingredients for pro-aging support. This serum has a nice lightweight consistency. It soaks into my skin right away and it doesn't feel greasy. My skin absolutely loves it. The biggest benefits that I have seen in using vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in my skincare regimen is a reduction in my redness due to rosacea, a natural shimmer to my skin, and less dryness. I love that this comes in a pump, something simple, but I appreciate a pump because for me, one pump is exactly the amount I need to cover my face and neck. So I'm not overusing it and I'm getting the most for my product. I've always believed that high quality skincare should not come with a hefty price tag. And that's exactly what Naturium offers. High quality ingredients to help me age as confidently as possible. I love this serum and I really think you would too, but that's just my point of view.